Hey folks, Adam here. We're looking at the Keurig K-Mini Plus. I'm going to make a cup of coffee with you, show you the product up close and in detail, and give you some of the specs and information that you need to know that you can't find by just reading the listing alone. So let's go ahead and kick it off right about now. All right folks, I just finished up my cup of coffee. This is the Keurig K-Mini Plus, and it's absolutely fantastic. So what is so great about the K-Mini Plus? Now, first off, it's only 5 inches, so it fits just about anywhere. It does come with this. It is a storage unit for your K-Cups. So if you have your K-Cups and you don't know where to put them, well, guess what? You can clock it right into there and keep them stored away with your unit. You can press a button on the top for a strong brew. It is perfect for 6 and 12 ounces, and you can see the water reserve, if you will, is right here. And I think I have about 8. There we go, put that in front of the camera. So you can fill up your coffee to the amount that you want in a single push of a button. Again, K-Cup goes right in here. Drop it in, close it down, press the button, and you are making coffee. All right, folks. So really a fantastic product. I'm a huge fan, and I really do like the K-Mini Plus. It fits anywhere, and you're making coffee in a matter of seconds. The perfect amount of coffee every single time. Let me go ahead and put this in frame for you so you can see the box that it comes with. And I'm going to ask you to stick around as we go over the up close so you can see exactly what every item in this looks like. Up close. All right, folks, if you're looking for the best cup of coffee of your life and you don't want to be driving all the way to your local Starbucks every morning, then Keurig is the solution for you. All right, now let's go ahead and check out the up close portion of the video. This is absolutely fantastic. All right, folks, here's the up close portion of the video. You're absolutely going to love this. So many people ask us, they want to see the product up close when it arrives. Again, only 5 inches wide, so it'll fit just about anywhere in your kitchen and storage area. We're talking about 6 to 12 ounces, and you can get a strong or intense cup if you want. Just put a little less water, and those K-cups are so easy to use. So up close, you just pop the door off, slide your K-cup in, close it up, and then add water to the reservoir. Let me see if I can back that camera up just a little bit. All right, so take this out. The reservoir is removable. That's nice because you don't have to drag the whole machine over to the faucet, and you don't have to drag water to it. You can just fill this up, set it in, and start with it. All right, now this is absolutely fantastic. Again, it fits just about anywhere. The pod storage, we're going to take off. There's a piece of tape here I'm going to remove that was there for shipping. But you can store your pods in it as well, which is going to just be a real space saver that you can keep that when you're not making your coffee. So really a fantastic product. People like to see this up close and personal. You can see that it's a nice plastic material, high quality, easy to clean, and this is going to come out to where you can clean as well. So really, I'm excited about my new Keurig. I know that you are too. And let me go ahead. Some people want to see the box to see what it looks like when it arrives. It does come with kind of your Keurig Let's Get Brewing start guide, but this thing is a no-brainer. Pod storage, space-saving design, fits in your brewer, making it easy to transport, and yeah, just so much good coffee out of this. If you're interested in a single-serving coffee maker, the K-Mini Plus is about as small as it gets. It's about as convenient as it gets, and this is the Studio Gray, and it looks fantastic. So Studio Gray, pick yours up. You absolutely won't be disappointed. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I hope I've been able to show you all the close aspects, everything you need to know. You can see there's the strong button, the power on, and you just put your K-cup right in here. Super duper convenient. All right, folks, thank you so much for watching. Check out all our videos and put it in your cart. It's amazing. Adios, amigos.